following the recent case law guidance that we've had from the family courts that have come in over the last couple of years, what the courts are also doing in a fact-finding hearing is not just looking at the limited picture of the allegations that have been specified. The court is also looking at the overall picture. What are the patterns? What are the trends that you see within this relationship and the behaviours that have been demonstrated or displayed by each of the parties in this relationship? And to be able to do that, you need to be able to start finding those in the bundle. You have to be able to look to the broader evidence to be able to do that. And so the features that you have where you can have those excerpts where you take out part of a page and you say, right, this is something that's really helpful, means that you can paint that much fuller picture that you wouldn't otherwise really be able to do unless you sat and typed out every single little bit and pulled it all together in a typed or handwritten document. And being able to shuffle the information around means that you can kind of process it in your own mind so that you can paint that picture. And when you're preparing for procedural hearings or directions hearings, what you're looking for is a headline of recommendations. You know, what are the 6 things that this person has recommended? And being able to do those excerpts where you can just say, well, here's, you know, these are the 3 paragraphs that are relevant. I now have these recommendations front and center in one place, because often they don't have a very useful summary, or if they do, the summary is lacking. It's missed stuff out as you go. The other way that helps to digest it is color coding and highlighting. It's all about color coding so that when you go back through it, you can find it. You make remarks to say, well, this isn't helpful. What are we going to do about it? And it means when you're scrolling back through to look for it, you know what that page is going to start looking like. You can find it much quicker. But you also know where you're looking for stuff because you've been able to engage with that information. And you can be far more destructive with your bundle because, you know, you can just undo it. You just lasso and delete. It's quick. It's easy.